In this video, I want to go over the navigation and show you where everything is in our Canvas shell. This way, if you're newer to Canvas and if you're not as familiar with it, you'll be able to successfully navigate from place to place. Or if you're newer to online learning, this will give you a brief tutorial of where everything's located. Okay. So when you first log in, you're going to come to this page. This is what we call like the splash page or the welcome page, and this has all your information of the course. I give you a course model here, and then some best practices for online learning, and then of course the course outline with the dates for this year, for this semester. Okay. If we look over here on the left-hand side, we have a course bar with navigation. So we have our home button, announcements, modules, your grade book, a WebEx link, simple syllabus, and assignments and discussions. Okay. So if we click on announcements, announcements are going to be announcements that I'm sending out to the class for maybe if I've uploaded a new document or I have a new assignment, or it's for me to communicate to the class. You'll get the announcement via email, and it'll also be under this tab as well. So if you ever want to click back on it or refer to an announcement, it's going to be there. In addition, if I send out a document, like a PDF file or a Word document, and I attach it to the announcement, you'll have that available for reference later in the course. Now, the next link is going to be your module link, okay? And this is where you're going to spend most of your time with this class, okay? When we first log in, you're going to want to go through the introduction module. It says getting started in the course, okay? You're going to want to first click on that, and it's going to help you get set up in Canvas and get you more acclimated to it. And there's also a mobile app for Canvas as well, if you want to use. I would definitely recommend using the online version versus the mobile app. But if you're out and about and you want to check in what's going on, you have the app available, okay? The second is going to be me. It's a little bit of background on me, who I am, what I do. We have a question and answer form. So your first week, if you're having those issues, you can put the questions there, or feel free just to email me directly. And that's probably, I check my email on a daily basis, so that, and I'm very good at response as well. The proctor check-in, you want to get that set up, and there's information on there as well on how to do that. And then the course and contact information. This is all my information, my contact information, my office. If you have questions and you're on campus, I know this is an online distance learning class. I'm available though. I do have set office hours Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 o'clock to 11 a.m. So I'm available for you at those times. I have my office number, or the best way to reach out to me is via email. Okay, so below modules, we have your grade book. In the grade book will be set up. This is not set up now because I don't have any students in this module, but you'll be able to see and track where your grade is week by week by week. And it's a good thing to keep track of course. This is a Cisco WebEx link, which will get set up. And if you ever want to do a conference one-on-one, have any questions, and you prefer to do it over a WebEx conference, this will be the link that we use. The next link is going to be your syllabus. Right now, you see the picture. Since it's a module, it's not active, but all of your information for the course will be in this syllabus. And then the next two links, assignments that I give out on a weekly basis, will be available in this link here. Okay. Now keep in mind that you have to go through the course sequentially. That means we have to go through week 1 to week 2 to week 3, so forth. We need to do the work for week 1 before we go to week 2. And I'm telling you this because if you click the assignments tab, and if you're in week 2, well, you'll have the assignments for week 1 and week 2 available, but you won't be able to see week 3 yet because you haven't gotten there yet, okay? That's going to be the same with the discussion tab. If you want to click on the discussions, you'll have a week 1 or week 2 discussions, and you'll be able to add your comments and see what other classmates post. But you won't be able to see discussions in any further weeks.